In this video, we'll see together grammatical homonyms and more precisely, on. So homonyms, or in that case grammatical homonyms, are words that are pronounced the same way but are written differently because they're different words. On. So let's have a look at the example. On a beaucoup aimé ce film. On a beaucoup aimé ce film. Elles ont un beau chien. Elles ont un bon chien. So in this case, as you can see, it's on, that we can translate in that case with oui. On a beaucoup aimé ce film. And here it's the verb avoir, remember, that is conjugated in the third person of the plural in the present. Elles ont, I make the liaison. Elles ont un beau chien. Elles ont un beau chien. So clearly two different words, but that are pronounced exactly the same way. On a beaucoup aimé ce film. Elles ont un beau chien.